The alleged victim in A$AP Rocky's felony assault trial took the stand once again on Monday. While most of the attention in this case is focused on Rocky himself, his famous partner Rihanna, the mother of his two children, has also played a significant role. The courtroom has witnessed several intense moments, especially between the alleged victim, A$AP Relli, real name Terrell Efron, and Rocky's defense attorney from New York, Joe Tacopina. In a dramatic turn of events, Rihanna made a sudden exit from the courtroom, sparking speculation and media frenzy. The global superstar, who has been a steadfast supporter of Rocky throughout the trial, reportedly left due to heightened media attention and security concerns. Her unexpected departure has added another layer of intrigue to this already high-profile case. Rihanna has remained out of the spotlight as much as possible, avoiding the media by entering the courthouse through the underground parking lot. Inside the courtroom, she sat next to Rocky's mother and sister, listening intently to the proceedings. Meanwhile, Rocky's arrival turned into a chaotic scene as he was swarmed by cameras and reporters. Rocky, whose real name is Rakim Mayers, is facing 2 felony charges of assault with a semi-automatic firearm. Prosecutors allege that in November 2021, he pointed a gun at his former friend, A$AP Relli, during an argument in Hollywood and fired twice, grazing Relli's left hand. The case is serious, with Rocky facing up to 24 years in prison if convicted. Throughout the trial, Rihanna has been a constant presence, sitting in the front row with Rocky's family. Her demeanor has been calm and composed, showing deep focus on the testimonies and legal arguments. Many have speculated about her emotions, but she has remained unwavering in her support for Rocky. One of the trial's most intense moments came when Relli testified about the incident. He claimed that Rocky confronted him, pulled out a gun, and fired shots. His testimony has been a key element in the prosecution's case, portraying the shooting as deliberate and harmful. However, the defense has pushed back, arguing that Rocky never intended to harm Relli. They claim the gun was a harmless starter pistol used to intimidate, not to injure. A major point of contention is the evidence, or lack thereof. The prosecution has faced challenges in proving their case, especially since no shell casings were found at the scene by police. Instead, Relli himself allegedly collected the shell casings and later handed them over to law enforcement. This has raised questions about the validity of the evidence. In court, a witness who called 911 during the altercation testified, claiming to have seen Rocky holding what appeared to be a firearm. However, the defense has argued that the surveillance footage from that night is unclear, making it difficult to determine what truly happened. Adding to the drama, Rocky recently turned down a plea deal that would have given him a much lighter sentence, just 180 days in jail compared to the 24 years he faces if convicted. His decision to reject the deal suggests that he believes in his innocence and is willing to fight the charges in court. Some legal experts have even suggested that the prosecution's relatively lenient plea offers signals a weak case. As the trial unfolds, Rihanna's presence remains a focal point. She has continued to show public support for Rocky, even being seen with him at a restaurant the night before one of his court appearances. Meanwhile, both sides continue to argue their cases, with the defense portraying Relli as someone motivated by money and revenge rather than justice. With conflicting testimonies, unclear evidence, and intense legal battles, this case has captured widespread media attention. The trial will ultimately determine whether A$AP Rocky walks free or faces a lengthy prison sentence. Until then, all eyes remain on the courtroom, waiting to see how this high-profile legal drama unfolds.